Hi there, students. Vibrant, an adjective. Vibrantly, the adverb. And I guess vibrance as well for a noun, talking about the quality. Okay, if you describe something as vibrant, you're saying it's exciting, it's full of energy, it's full of enthusiasm. So she has a vibrant personality, literally vibrating with life and enthusiasm and excitement. Um, London is a very vibrant city. Our economy at the moment isn't very vibrant. Okay, so a vibrant young performer. You could also have vibrant colours, bright, strong colours. He uses vibrant poster colours in his work. The vibrancy of his work is amazing. Okay, so vibrant, full of energy, full of life. Yeah, his vibrant character, high spirited. He woke up full of energy and had his coffee, and he was incredibly vibrant. Let's see, you can also talk about vibrant meaning resonating. He has a vibrant voice that's vibrating, but this is I think probably less common. Yeah, vibrant, pulsating with, quivering with. Okay, so vibrant. A vibrant city, a vibrant colour. A vibrant community, a vibrant culture. Yes, Latin American cultures are vibrant. They're vibrant cultures. A vibrant economy where everyone's buying and selling and everything's going very well. It, the show was a vibrant mix of upbeat songs and amazing costumes. This area has a very vibrant nightlife. Yeah, there are lots of things happening and there are lots of people out at night. So it's a good place to go because it has a very vibrant nightlife. The color scheme is very vibrant. This artist uses a very vibrant palette of colors. So full of energy, life, enthusiasm. He's a person of extraordinary vibrancy. Or vibrance as well. His enthusiasm shone vibrantly. One of the things I love doing is going out after it's been raining because the countryside is green. It's vibrant with energy and life. Okay, that vibrance, that lust for life, as Billy Idol might put it. Okay, so vibrant, full of energy, full of excitement, full of activity. Okay, so yeah, a very vibrant city. Yeah, the pulsing, throbbing streets, they're throbbing with activity. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, with spirited, strong, alive, vigorous, animated, effulgent, vivacious, full of energy. Yeah, people are naturally drawn to his vibrant personality. The room was shaded in a vibrant shade of red. It was like it was vibrating, intense, clear, glowing. Okay, so yeah, vibrant. Vibrance is an important thing to have. It means it's full of energy and growing, and it's full of life. As to formality, it's ever so slightly on the formal side, but I think I would give it a 5 in formality. Use it absolutely anywhere. yeah, I think it probably particularly good in something a little bit descriptive or poetic, but use it informally, semi-formally, even very formally without any problem. And then as to origin, well, it comes from vibrate, from Latin vibrans, vibrare, to vibrate. Okay, vibro, to agitate, to set in a trembling motion, to shake. Okay, so vibrant. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Vibrant.